is the transmitter. You might think it's too random, but I'm still alive and kicking 300,000 volts. Extremely low frequency. One specific frequency. Don't you try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
This video, and also if you're wondering why I put music behind the kayak stuff and part of the water stuff, it's because I just thought it'd be cool to put music behind it instead of just talk or any of that kind of stuff, because I don't really know why there's a reason for you guys to hear, you know, but because I wasn't really talking to the camera. I had it on and I just wanted to go. The only thing I wanted was the video of the kayak. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share with friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.